momentum going because Clark is going to have it all over him. He's going to just get that car wound up, keep it wound up. Can we get through turn one? Oh, Wilson's gone around there. Braddock's got caught up. He's trying to push him out of the way. He's like, get out of my way. All right, here we go. The Australian champion. Kenny, full wide into turn one. How do you like your street stocks? Lock just comes up the inside there, and he's come out in second place with the chief steward, Norm Fisher. He's not happy with that start, so we're going to go do that one all over again. All right, here we go. This time around, maybe we'll get it done. McClure and Clark, the two best in the country. We've got them right here. Okay, that was a bit better start. At least they were in pairs of two pretty much. Look at Wilson up the inside there. Oh, some white smoke still coming out of that thing of Clark's. Got to be a little bit worried. McClure, could you get any closer to the wall, Bradley? I don't think so. Wilson, after that early scare, he's been put back, restarted back in his original position. That's a little bit of a gift, but he's gone around again. And this time, I don't think you're going to get your position back. In fact, I don't think we're even going to go yellow for you because you're well enough off the racetrack. And you're right, you're going to get one go at this. So Clark, look at that white smoke come out of these V6s. They tend to do that a little low when you get off the gas pretty hard from full throttle. Hanbury is into lock there. A little bit of contact out of 1 and 2. But Clark has got a nice little gap this early on in the race. McClure just will try to settle down and work on him and bring him back. Ahern pulls up onto the infield. No more for him. Lock, the 43 machine, Hanbury, Braddock, Roycroft, Matthews, White, Robinson, and then Wilson. Mr. Wilson, too far back. G-spins doesn't help. Clark, McClure, these two guys have opened up a big gap on Lock. Hanbury, the old beat up Falcons, going like a train. Oh, Lock got a little sideways out of turn 2 there. He came through the corner and put the power down. Wilson's been a little bit more cautious as he goes through turn 1 and 2. Clark though, out front, doing a nice job. The tyres being torn up a little on this track. It's gone a little hard, a little black, but it's not too dusty. Thank God for that. Lock's got down on the bottom. Puts that left front down in the looser stuff, the moister stuff. I think it helps him to turn the car a little. Does get a little bit out of shape, but does seem to help him turn. Alright, McClure now, he's come down off the top line. Oh, we got some drama further back. Braddock's gone around. And I think that was either Robinson. Yes, it was. Who just never got off the gas and may or may not have come on the way through. I'm not too sure about that. But race off into the setting sun. There's no doubt about that one. Alright, here we go. Clark, McClure, Lock. Oh, look at McClure. He cranks that car in sideways. He absolutely loves his big track. Probably not loving it quite so much today with this slight loss of performance. Look at that smoke though out of Mick Clark's car. It's like a wingless sprint car. When they get off the gas, all of a sudden it just pumps a lot of oil at the top and you get that big cloud of smoke. If it was on the way out of the corner, I'd probably be a little bit more worried. McClure is running a lot closer to him this time. But Clark is just that little bit straighter. I think his tyres are going to hang on that little bit longer. Out of 3 and 4, McClure's worked his way around to the bottom now. Knows that you can't be so high, wide and handsome, especially up there in turn number 4. You're going to lose some ground. Clark is just starting to open up that gap just a little. Lock there, he's doing a good job in 3rd. Hanbury's doing a great job in 4th. Roycroft is coming under some big pressure from Matthews and Aaron White, I think it is, who's worked up a couple of spots. Yeah, side by side. Oh, look at those two going. White and Matthews, and I think Matthews has got a real drama there. There's something coming out of that car through the left-hand front there. Not sure whether it's engine smoke or steam or whatever it is. It's not really good. Okay, meanwhile, back at the front, return our attention there. McClure is not letting go of Mick Clark. Clark is probably pacing himself. He's not really been able to pull away. The pair of them have pulled away from Jamie Lock. Roycroft now has got up to 4th place. He's put Hanbury back a spot. Then it's Aaron White, the 55 machine, doing a great job. Still that smoke is coming out of Matthews' car. And also we've got some smoke now coming out of Jamie Lock's car, and that does not look good. Does not look good at all. Oh, look at this, Roy Croft and Hanbury. Push me, shove you, oh yeah, says who. They are just laying into each other big time for 4th and 5th position. The laps wind down. Clark, McClure, 1 and 2. I told you Clark thought he had something from McClure this time around. Lock, smoke's tied up a little bit on that one. Oh, one of them doesn't sound too good, and I bet that it's Matthews, Darren Matthews' car that does not sound too good. It sounds like it's dropped a cylinder or dropped some overhead valve gear or something like that. Back out front though, our boys are still continuing on. The battle is raging. Aaron White's done a great job in the 55. Robinson, he loves that infield, doesn't he? It's not his fault. It was actually Darren Matthews has pulled up there, and he decided to pull up onto the infield right when Robinson was trying to pass him up the inside. Have a look at the smoke out of that thing at Matthews. That might be his season done and dusted. We'll have to wait and see on that one. So the white flag is out. One more lap to go. In actual fact, this is it. Checkered flag comes out for our race winner. Mick Clark takes the win from Brad McClure. Big gap back to Jamie Lock. Is he going to hang on to this one? I reckon he is. So Lock will get 3rd place. Hanbury in for 4th. Roycroft, Aaron White. And then we look a little further back to see our finishes. Robinson comes got the upper hand on Brad McClure, and any time you can do that on Brad McClure, whether he's Australian champion or not, you know that you have driven very, very well. And that was a great race from all of our streety guys. We absolutely love it. We're not done yet. We've still got some wingless sprint car stuff and late models again. So if you want to hang around and watch them go around, please feel free. We absolutely have loved having everyone out here today. We thank you all for your support. It's been fantastic. This is put together low key. There wasn't a lot of build up to it, but the support from the competitors and the fans has been absolutely fantastic. And look at, hopefully this is going to get us on